Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. Now this is the second video for the model question paper for the half yearly examination for grade 9 and the subject is mathematics. So those who did not watch my first video of the model question paper, I'll request them to please watch that because in that video I've covered multiple choice question, 2-mark question and 3-mark question. Now in this video, I will be covering 4-mark questions and 5-mark question. The 4-mark question will be case study question and there will be few 5-mark questions also. Now it is completely based on CBSE pattern. So let's start with the session. Now this is the first question. Find the value of a and b so that x plus 1 and x minus 1 are the factors of this polynomial. So first I will assume that let px is this polynomial. Now since x plus 1 and x minus 1 are the factors of px, it means when you find the zeros of x plus 1, it will give you x plus 1 equal to 0. It means x equal to minus 1. So from here I can say p of minus 1 equal to 0. So in the given polynomial, substitute x as minus 1. So it will be minus 1 whole to the power 4. Then a into minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus b equal to 0. Now when you solve this, you are going to get b equal to a plus 4. Okay, and this is your equation number 1. Now again x minus 1 is also a factor. So x minus 1 equal to 0. This will give you x equal to 1. Now p of 1 equal to 0. Again put x as 1. So it will be 1 to the power 4 plus a into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus b equal to 0. So from here you will get a plus b equal to 0. Now in equation 1 already you got b is a plus 4. So replace b with a plus 4. So from here you will get 2a plus 4 equal to 0. So the value of a will be minus 4 by 2 which will give you minus 2. Then b equal to a plus 4. Here you substitute a as minus 2. So minus 2 plus 4 will give you 2. So the value of a is minus 2 and the value of b is 2. So this is question number 32. Till question 31 I have covered in my first part. Okay, so those who did not watch that video, please have a look on that videos. Now next question number 33. Now question number 33, factorize 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6 using factor theorem. Okay, so to get the first factor, you have to use hit and trial method. So start substituting first the value of x as 1, then you put x as minus 1 and so on, and you check for which value of x this polynomial is becoming 0. Now mostly the value for x which makes it 0 is the factor of this constant term 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we can pick any factor from that and one of them will make it 0. So I am going to start directly from x equal to minus 2. Okay. So if I put x as minus 2, it will be 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus of minus 2 whole square minus 13 into minus 2 minus 6. So this will give me 2 into minus 8 minus 4 plus 26 minus 6. So minus 16 minus 4. 26 minus 6 is 20 and here minus 20 plus 20 will give me 0. Now see, x equal to minus 2 gives the value 0. It means the factor will be x plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2 is one of the factor. Now once you get one of the factor, after that you can divide the polynomial by taking x plus 2 as the divisor. Okay, because you know that x plus 2 is a factor. So when you divide the polynomial with x plus 2, remainder will come 0 and the quotient will give you the another factors. So here, now how to do the division? First you have to see in x what you will multiply such that you will get 2x cube. So obviously in x if I multiply 2x square, I will get 2x cube. Now multiply x plus 2 with 2x square and write the answer below it, below the like term. So x into 2x square is 2x cube and 2 into 2x square will give me 4x square. Now you have to do the subtraction. And in subtraction of algebraic expression, you have studied that you have to change the sign of the second expression. So here it is plus, it will change to minus. This is also changed to minus. Now 2x cube minus 2x cube is 0. So you have to cancel it out. And minus x square minus 4x square. Now children do a mistake. Now plus 4x square is not there. It is minus 4x square. We have changed the sign. So it will become minus 5x square and then use minus 13x. Next, one more term, bring it down. Again repeat the same process. In x, what you will multiply to get minus 5x square. So we have to multiply minus 5x. So this will give me minus 5x square minus 10x. Again change the sign. Okay. So minus 13 plus 10 will become minus 3x minus 6. Bring down the last term. Again in x, what you will multiply to get minus 3x? You have to multiply minus 3. So it will be minus 3x minus 6. Change the sign. It will give you remainder 0. So now after that what you have to do? Now we know that how to verify a division. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Your remainder is already 0. It means dividend is your required polynomial that is equal to divisor, which is x plus 2, into quotient, which is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now second is a quadratic polynomial, right? Now you have to do middle term splitting. You will get two more factors. So it will be x plus 2. Now 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. See here, the sum was minus 5 and the product was 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6. So I have split it as minus 6x plus x. Now after that, it will be, take 2x common. So it will be x minus 3 plus 1, x minus 3. Okay. So your other factors will be x plus 2, x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this is the required factorization. So I'm done with question 33 also. Now I will move to question number 34. But those who did not subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends also. Now you can see in my videos I am covering all varieties of question and you may find in your exam also these type of questions will come. Okay, now moving to question number 34. Question number 34. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR and median PN of triangle PQR. We have to show that both the triangles are congruent. Okay, so now it is given here respectively means AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AM is equal to PN. So first you have to take triangle ABM and PQN and show that both are congruent. Already it is given AB equal to PQ, AM equal to PN, but for the third side it is given BC equal to QR. Now see, AM is the median. Now if you recall the definition of median, median is a line segment which joins vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It means if BC is equal to QR and if I do half on both the side, then BM will be equal to QN, isn't it? So I have got all my three criterias and with the help of that I can prove these two triangles are congruent. So from the first one I will write in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. First will be AB is equal to PQ, then AM equal to PN and both is given. Okay. Now for the third one, I can write BM is equal to QN and reason I will give half of BC is equal to half of QR. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN using SSS rule. Okay. Now I am going to write by CPCT angle ABM is equal to angle PQN by CPCT. This is number 1. Now why I am writing this? Because I am going to use it to prove the congruency for the second part, because it says now I have to prove ABC is congruent to PQR. So two criteria I already have, AB equal PQ, BC equal to QR. But third criteria I don't have, that I will take it from here. Okay. So for the second part, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and the third one I will write angle ABC is equal to angle PQR from first. Okay. Now see, from first I have written ABM, but here I am writing ABC because ABM and ABC both is talking about the same angle. Now my triangle will be congruent using SAS criteria. Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR using SAS rule. Okay, so my both the uh, congruency is done here. Now I'm moving to question number 35. Now question number 35. Prove that if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now question 35 I have divided in two parts. A part is 3-mark question. This is a small proof. And B part will have another question. So first of all, let's draw a figure of it. So AB and CD is my two lines which is intersecting at point O. This is given. Now I have to prove that angle AOC equal to angle BOD. See, these two are vertically opposite angle. Okay, this is one pair and this is another pair. We have to show that vertically opposite angles are equal. So in the proof, first we will write, since ray OA stands on line CD, so COA or AOC plus AOD is 180 degree. This is first part because they are forming a linear pair. This is number 1. Same way, now ray OD stands on line AB, AOB. So it will be angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. This is number 2. Now see, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, I can write angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. Okay. Now this AOD, if I transpose to other side, it will become minus AOD and it will get cancelled with this. Okay. So from here, angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. This is my proof for the first part. Now for the another part, no need to repeat the all process again. Once you are done with one, after that you just write similarly angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Now this is very important proof. So you should know this kind of proof. It will come for 3-mark question. Okay. So whenever it is a proof, you have to write given to prove and then you have to start with the proof. Fine. Now moving to B part of this question. Now B part, find the measure of an angle if 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. So first of all, let the measure of an angle be x. So its complement will be 90 degree minus x and supplement will be 180 degree minus x. Now according to the question, it says 7 times its complement. Okay. So 7 times its complement, which is 90 degree minus x, is equal to 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. So 3 times its supplement minus 10. Now we have to solve this equation. So 7 into 90 is 630 minus 7x, which is equal to 540 minus 3x minus 10. So 630 minus, now 540 minus 10 is 530 and then transpose is to LHS, minus 7x transpose to RHS, it will be plus 7x. So from here you will get 100 equal to 4x. So the value of x will be 100 divided by 4, which will give you 25. So the measure of the angle is 25 degree. Okay, these all are degrees. Understood? So this was the second part of the question. Now moving to next question. Now I'm going to start with section E, which is a case study question. So section E will have 3 questions of 4 marks. And the 4 marks will be distributed as 1 mark, 1 mark and 2 mark question. Question 36 is the perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeter. One side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side and third side is 6 meter less than twice the smaller side. Consider that smaller side of the triangle is x centimeter. Now based on this information, answer the below question. First is find the remaining two sides of triangle in terms of x. Already it is given smaller side is x. So one side will be 4 centimeter longer than smaller side means it will be x plus 4. Okay, one of the side will be x plus 4 and the other one is third side is 6 meter less than twice the smaller. Twice the smaller means 2x. 6 meter less means 2x minus 6. So these are the remaining two sides. Now you have to find the measure of three sides of the triangle. You already know all the three sides in terms of x and perimeter is also given. We know that perimeter of the triangle is sum of the three sides. So we will write x plus 4 plus 2x minus 6 equal to 50. So 4x minus 2 equal to 50. So 4x equal to 52. So from here I will get the value of x as 52 by 4 which will give me 13. But this 13 is the smaller side, isn't it? The smaller side is 13. So other two sides will be 13 plus 4, 17 and one more is 2 into 13 minus 6 which is 26 minus 6 equal to 20. So the sides are 13, 17 and 20. Third question is find the area. So you have to find area using Heroin's formula. So first you will find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is sum of the three sides by 2. Perimeter is already given 50. So 50 by 2 is 25. So area will be, first write the formula, root of s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. Now your s is 25, then 25 minus 13, 25 minus 17 and 25 minus 20. So root of 25 into 12 into 8 into 5. Now root of 25 into, now see children what they do, they start multiplying all the numbers. Don't do that. You split all the number as a perfect square of some number. See 25 is already a square number. 12 I can write as 4 into 3. Isn't it? 4 is a perfect square number. Same way 8 I can write as 4 into 2. Then into 5. Now see root of 25 is 5. 4 is in a pair. So 1 4 will come out and remaining will be in the root. So 3 into 2 6. 6 into 5 30. 5 into 4 is 20. So the answer is 20 root 30 centimeter square. Okay. So this is your answer. Now moving to next case study question. Now question number 37. Anand is a class 9 student residing in a village. One day he went to a city hospital along with his grandfather for general checkup. From there he visited three places: school, library and police station. After returning to his village, he plotted a graph by taking hospital as origin. Marked three places on the graph as per his direction of movement and distance. The graph is shown below. Now you have to tell the coordinates of school and library. So school is here, right? So school coordinate is 2, 3, isn't it? I will write first coordinate of all the places here. It is 2, 3. Library is 6, 2. Police station is 2, minus 1. So for school I am denoting using S. The coordinate is 2, 3. Library I am denoting as L and it is 6, 2. Now next question is name the place whose abscissa is 3 times its ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. So where your x coordinate is 3 times of the ordinate. So you see all the coordinates and check. Here if you see abscissa is 6, ordinate is 3. So here 6 is 3 times of 2, isn't it? So the place where abscissa is 3 times its ordinate is library. Okay. Now third part is two new shops are going to open. One on x-axis at a distance 4 unit to the left of the origin. Now this is the left side. 4 unit to the left. It means and the point is on x-axis. It means the coordinate of that first shop will be minus 4, 0, isn't it? First shop will be minus 4, 0, and the second shop is given as, for the second shop it is written, it is on y-axis at a distance 3 unit up from the origin. So it will be 0, 3, because on y-axis x coordinate will be 0. So these are the coordinates of those two shops. Okay. Now moving to the last question, question number 38. Now question 38, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Raj paid 30 rupees for a book kept for 5 days. First question is, form a pair of linear equation in two variables from this situation. If the fixed charge is x rupees and additional charge for each day is y rupees. So now see here what it is given, that for first 3 days the charge is fixed and for additional days he has to pay some additional amount, right? So it is given he paid 30 rupees for 5 days. Now in 5 days you split as fixed first 3 days and then remaining is 2 days. Now for first 3 days he will pay only x rupees. For the 2 days, for each day he will pay y rupees. So one day y rupees, second day will be 2 into y, isn't it? And total he paid how much? 30 rupees. It means x plus 2y is equal to 30. Again I am repeating, he has kept the book for 5 days. Now for 3 days amount is fixed. So from 5, if I take out 3 days, I have extra 2 days. For 3 days x rupees he has to pay. For the remaining days, he has to pay for each day y rupees. So one day y rupees, 2 days 2y rupees. And their sum is he paid as 30 rupees. So this is the equation. Second question says, express the above linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. So above equation, it will be x plus 2y minus 30 equal to 0. So your a is 1, b is 2 and c is minus 30. Now the third question is, which is here, if the fixed charge is 6 rupees, so x is 6 and the book is kept for 15 days, then what is the total amount Raj has to pay? So in this equation, x plus 2y equal to 30. Okay, I am going to replace x with 6. So I will get 6 plus 2y equal to 30. So 2y equal to 30 minus 6, which will give me 24. So from here the value of y I will get as 24 by 2, which is 12. Now we have to find for 15 days how much he will pay. Now in 15 days also, for 3 days he has to pay some fixed amount, which is 6 rupees. Now 15 minus 3, 12 days. He will pay 12 rupees per day. It means for 12 days he has to pay 12 into 12 rupees. So it will be 144. So total amount he will pay is 6 plus 144. So now you have to write here, okay, 6 plus 12 into 12. This is the amount paid. Okay. So it will be 6 plus 144, which will give me 150 rupees. So this is the answer for the last part. So now I have done with a complete model question paper. All 38 questions I have done. This is the second part of the model question paper. In the first part, I have covered MCQ questions. In that, assertion region question is also there, 2-mark question, 3-mark question. And just now I have covered 5-mark question as well as case study question, which was a 4-mark. Okay. So I hope you all must have liked my videos and my explanation. Please share these questions with your friend also. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.